In a country where street begging remains a common sight, Meghalaya stands out as a rare exception. A state with virtually no beggars on its streets, the reason lies not in strict enforcement but in the deeply rooted community values and robust welfare programs that ensure no individual, child, woman or differently abled person is left uncared for. Speaking about the state's unique approach, Srimati Camelia Doreen Lingwa, Director of Social Welfare, explained that Meghalaya's success stems from collaborative efforts between the Social Welfare Department, community networks and government's inclusive policy.
Parents might be EWS, economically weaker section, not necessarily orphans, or maybe the fathers have run away. So that is where we have these. And then under observation home or child place of safety, this is where we have a conflict of law with law. That means the children who come across the borders, you know, when they want to go to other states, they get stopped or the police will stop them in some of the border areas, like suppose in Klariat or suppose in Dauki. Then these, if they are under 18, we take care of them. So they put in our safety homes. So in safety homes, we have house mother, then we have the chokidars, then we have the educators, and we have people who help them with embroidery and knitting. You might not know it, we have just repatriated some of them too across our country. So for this, we have to coordinate with the Ministry of Home Affairs, we have to coordinate with Ministry of External Affairs and with the High Commissioner of these different countries, and then we have repatriate. But they go back not empty, they go back with the clothes they've designed or the handiworks which they've done. All right, so I wear them sometimes, and then they sell them, and the money which we sell in the stalls which we have, we give it to them. We open a bank account for them, so they go back with money. So in this way, you have happy kids who've gone, because we want to minimize mental stress, we want to minimize depression, we want to minimize. So, and then you might know also that of these orphans that we have in Meghalaya, especially our tribal communities, the clan, the poor doesn't want them to be given for adoption. That is where the state government takes care of them. So this is the essence of Meghalaya government, which takes care of the children. Then we also have social defense, where we have Shakti Sadan, Shakti Niwas. Here we have women who are mentally challenged, who are being thrown in the streets. We have about 75 of them. 66 of them are not our tribal communities. They come from other states, but they're mentally challenged. For this, we have our children, young people, like 12 of them, in all these centers who take care. So they cook for them, they clothe them, they bathe them. This is where I find like the goodness of God is there, because we are a society, a government that cares even for people who come from other states, and they are not left in the lurch. And because of that, there's so much goodwill. And if you would have heard now, Sir was saying about the happiness quotient. So if you see in the length and breadth of Meghalaya, we don't have beggars, especially from tribal communities. We take care. In fact, in some of the homes, our children who are the orphans, like we say, or children in need of care and protection, during the holidays, they go to their grandmother's place because the community takes care. It's only because of the economically social condition that they're not able to feed them well, then they stay with us. Per month, every child is supported 4,000 by the Office of the Honorable Chief Minister or the Social Welfare Department. In fact, those cases that you recently had, those cases that you had, so the District Child Protection Officer and officer in charge of Integrated Child Protection Services, we have enrolled them, they are registered with us. So the perpetrator is covered under the Children in Conflict with Law. So those people are with us, the perpetrator. In the meantime, the victim's family, which is also economically weak, they are also enrolled with us. And just now, if you would heard, the Honorable Chief Minister has a scheme which is given by the by him, where he's taking care of